Hey guys, as you know, I have my brand new Bambino, Breville Bambino. Just wanted to show you guys today my newest goodies I purchased for my Bambino from Amazon. I wanted to do an Amazon unboxing with you. Let's go ahead and open this box. All right. I came across with these silicone gaskets. I had these for my Gadget Classic Evo Pro as well. So I just wanted to have them. These are basically replacement gaskets for the group head. I don't need them right now, but if I need them, I have them. These cost me only $12 for 5 of them. I purchased the Bottomless Portafilter, and it's a Chinese brand, Capfei. I had 1 or 2 things from them in the past. They're all right. I mean, they're not Normcore, but they know how to do a Normcore style portafilter. Check this one out, you guys. Comes with a basket. Looks pretty cool. It's an average basket, but this is the reason I purchased this. It's a hollow portafilter, whoops, with a walnut handle. It's beautiful. Let's compare it to the portafilter, the plastic one, just for you guys to see comparison. And let's see if it's even gonna fit with this no-name basket. Actually, I shouldn't say no-name, it's a Capfei basket. Yeah, it's a perfect fit. Looks great. Let me get this from this now so I can show you guys what it looks like. Wow, this is beautiful, you guys. And this thing cost me only $29, $29.99, believe it or not. All right, so now I can warm up the group head with this one while I'm working on the espresso on this one, with this one. All right, put this back here. Next, I purchased a Tamper with the sound feedback. It's beautiful Tamper. I wish it came with a walnut handle, but hey, I'm okay with this. And the base is all nice and shiny, no ripples, nothing. And this is the best part. Gives you feedback, that sound feedback. All right, I don't know how much I spent on this. I think this was about, I want to say also $29.99. Now the rest of the stuff is, this is a little filter, paper filter value pack I bought. Basically comes with 100 filters for Breville, a metal filter, stainless steel filter, and this little filter container thingy came with it. I don't know what this plastic thing is, but anyway, oh, I think it's a self-adhesive to mount it on the wall or something like that, which I won't do that. But this looks like a cool thing. Whoops. Let's see. How do you open this thing? Oh, okay. Basically slide and put the filters in it. Huh. Love it. Yeah, I'll probably keep my filters like I did it with my 51 millimeters right up here. Probably won't use this, but nice to have it. All right. Next one is my Normcore gravity leveler. This is a titanium coated leveler made by Normcore. Prior to this, I had a stainless steel one for my DeLonghi, and this is the titanium one. Here it is, you guys. And this was the most expensive of all, $49.99, for those of you wondering the price. Just want you to know I don't make any money out of any of these. I bought them with my own money. I just wanted to share with you. All right, Normcore can sit right here. And here's this. Bye-bye Breville Tamper. Paper filters. Get rid of my 51 mils. Almost same size. Huh. Oh, I also need to swap the other 51 mil metal filters. All right, we'll put this right here. And the last item out of this box, I purchased an IMS basket, Precision basket to be exact. This is a 20 gram Precision filter basket. And these are on sale now. Cost me only $17, 16 and a change. Let's check it out with this. Oh yeah, perfect. Comparing the Capfei brand, slightly deeper. All right, you guys, I just wanted to share with you my newest goodies. I think I'm all set. I'm waiting on one more thing. I ordered a Normcore basket. As soon as I get that, I'll be set as far as buying things goes. For my new Breville Bambino. Hey, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like this video. And keep an eye on my channel. I want to bring more stuff, and I learn as I go. And I love sharing my videos with you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.